Welcome to eCharged. Let's have a look at Tata Power's Easy Charge charging system.
Tata Power presents charging solutions for next generation electrically charged vehicles. Our EV charging network at homes, offices, malls and public charging stations. Tata Power battery swapping stations exclusively for two-wheelers and three-wheelers. No waiting in queues. Choose between charging and swapping. Customized EV charging solutions connected to renewable power, green energy for green cars, and a mobile app to connect with all these services. Locate, book and pay online. Tools for dynamic network planning to manage the impact of EV charging on the electricity grid. Giving EV batteries a second life. End-of-use EV batteries can be reused for other utility-scale energy storage applications. Tata Power, charging up e-mobility.
I would like to congratulate Tata Motors for having taken the lead by launching a great car, which also has a great purpose of making our cities cleaner. The success of electric vehicles will largely depend on an efficient charging infrastructure spread across the country so that the EV users have a seamless charging experience wherever they need to charge. In addition, it will also be necessary for the EV charging ecosystem to go fully green by having green power to feed EV chargers. As penetration of EV increases, there will also be a need to manage power supply systems to suit user habits and patterns. This is where Tata Power's capability of 100 years as a power utility with extensive experience in both renewable generation and distribution will play a key part. Our vision is to create a comprehensive EV charging infrastructure that caters to EV owners' charging needs across different formats, standards and locations, including installing home chargers in residential windways. We intend to provide one-stop, hassle-free, end-to-end EV charging solutions for personal, fleet and corporate EV owners. Once you buy a Nexon EV, we'll take care of your charging solutions end-to-end. We have already set up around 100 charging stations and are on track to set up 300 fast charging stations in 8 focus cities by March 20. We plan to expand our footprint to 650 plus chargers in 1 year, covering all major cities and key highways. With our end-to-end capabilities in the power sector and our strong channel reach, we believe that Tata Power will be a leading player in the EV charging business in India.
Tata Power is also part of Tata Universe, a complete e-mobility ecosystem to cater to the future mobility demands of our country, which also includes the participation of other Tata Group of companies. The main USP of Tata Power is the smart charging systems as well as the last mile charging systems. They also have a Tata Power mobile application which also caters to the convenience of locating the EV charging stations using maps as well as reserving the charging slots, getting updates on the charging and recommendation on the daily usage. So far, Tata Motors has established the public EV charging stations in Mumbai and will target about establishing 650 plus EV charging stations throughout the country. Thank you for watching. This is eCharged signing off.